Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pilar. Now, if you're brand new around here, then on this channel, I like to talk about different ways in which you can passively earn money through affiliate marketing, specifically through an affiliate blog. Now, if you do want that free training, I do have a link underneath this video. You can take a free training, learn how to earn passive income with an affiliate blog. But today in this video, I'm going to share with you different realistic side hustles that you can do in order to earn $100 per day. Now, if you've watched other videos on my channel, you know I do a lot of these side hustles. So today I'm going to show you different things that you can do so you can pay down your bills on top of your full-time work, if that's what you do, to earn extra money on the side. So stay tuned. Let's get started. So the first side hustle on this list is being a laundry pro with Poplin. Now, if you don't mind doing other people's laundry, and if you have a washer and dryer in your house, then this is going to be a great way for you to make extra money. Now, let's say you are a stay-at-home mother, you're taking care of your kids. Why not use that time to also make money doing what you would be doing every day anyways, right? You're going to be taking care of your kids. Well, now you can take care of your kids and make money by doing other people's laundry. Same thing goes if you are a retired person, you're looking to make extra cash, you have time on your hands, you can go around doing this. Or if you are someone who is into gig apps and you want to add another gig app to make sure that you are maximizing your time, this is going to be another great thing that you can do and you can add to your list of gig work that you already do. So the Poplin service is available nationwide. They're in about 500 different cities. Now you can go to the Poplin website. You can enter your zip code to see if it is available in your area. Now, let's say that it is, and let's say you are interested in signing up. You do need to be 18 years or older. You need to have a working vehicle, a valid driver's license, and you will be subject to a background check. Now, let's say everything clears out, then great, you're good to go. You will see a list of assignments available in your area. You'll see how far away each assignment is. So if there is an assignment that is too far away, it's not worth your time to go and pick up that laundry, you don't need to pick that assignment, okay? You get to pick and choose which ones you want to do. Now, here's the caveat. When you first get started with Poplin, you will not see an abundance of assignments. Now, that's because you have no history yet with Poplin. They don't know if you are good at doing this or you're going to be, a terrible independent contractor. Obviously, you're going to do the best possible job you can once you start getting those assignments. So once you get your first assignment, make sure you do a good job because these customers are going to start rating you within the app. You want to get the best possible ratings. So you might have to go out of your way at the beginning just so you can get those ratings, just so you can get your points up. Because once you have great ratings, high points in the app, then more people, or rather more assignments, are going to open up to you. Also, people are going to be able to request your services. So you can even have repeat customers once you really get going, okay? Now, you will get paid per pound on the laundry. Poplin charges customers per pound. You also get paid per pound and you get paid tips on top of that. Now, you will earn a minimum, at least $15 per order that you do plus tips. And the cool thing about this is that people that do use the service, they have disposable income. So they tip, and generally they do tip well. So you can make a decent amount of money with Poplin. It's a really good side hustle if you don't mind doing other people's laundry, and you can do this from your home. Another side hustle to consider, and one I recently started doing and really started enjoying, is mystery shopping. So there are a lot of companies out there that want to make sure that their brands are being represented in the proper manner, up to quality, up to standard. And this is where you come in as a mystery shopper. You get paid to evaluate different products, different services, and you get a lot of freebies with this as well. So there are tons of different platforms and websites where you can sign up to become a mystery shopper. Now, once you sign up, you'll have your login information. You can log in and see what different assignments, what different mystery shops are available in your area. Now, if you want to do this on a consistent basis, meaning if you want consistent work doing mystery shopping, my recommendation to you is to sign up on a bunch of different websites, because every day it really does change. Sometimes one particular website might have a lot of mystery shops in your area. That next day, there's nothing available in that area. So if you want to do this consistently and do this full time, like some people do, then sign up for a bunch of websites. Make sure that you are getting consistent work. Now, the type of mystery shops that you get really, really varies. Now, I can tell you that I've done so many different ones at this point. So I'm just going to give you some examples of the ones that I've done and the ones that I've seen. So I recently did one where I drove into the city to valet my car at a very very upscale fancy hotel. And I came back home, I filled out a questionnaire online about my experience with the valet attendants, and that one reimburses me for the valet parking. It also gave me $35 on top of that to give my feedback. Another mystery shop that I've done in the past has been going to a fancy restaurant, having a certain amount of money that I would get reimbursed for that I can go ahead and spend on my dinner, me and a guest. I went ahead, I evaluated the service that I was given at that restaurant, and I got paid a little bit also on top of that. There are other mystery shops that I saw where you can go ahead and go to a very well-known mattress retail store and then spend an hour with the salesperson and then evaluate the service that they provided you, right? So there's tons of different mystery shops. Some of you will have to spend your money up front, get reimbursed later, but you don't have to pick that mystery shop if you don't like doing that. You can pick mystery shops where you don't have to spend anything at all. You just go, you evaluate a service, you come back, you fill out a questionnaire, and you get paid. Now, generally with mystery shops, you don't get paid immediately, especially with all of these websites. You normally will get paid within 30 to 45 days with the mystery shops. So just take that into consideration when you are considering getting started with mystery shopping. So for this next side hustle, I'm going to bunch two together because essentially the websites that I'm going to give you, they offer both, so you might as well do them in order to make yourself extra money. Now, this is going to be getting paid to play online games as well as getting paid to take online surveys. You may already be thinking, well, these are not high-paying gigs that's going to make me a lot of money, but the whole point of this video is to help you find side hustles where you can consistently earn $100 or more per day, and that oftentimes means that you may need to do more than one side hustle. Now, don't be fooled by thinking you can't actually make money by playing online games or doing online services. A lot of people are making a few $100s per month doing this from the comfort of their home, and let me share with you some of the websites and apps that help you make this happen. Fetch is mainly known as a receipt scanning app where you can upload your grocery receipts or your shopping receipts and you get points that you can cash out towards free gift cards. But earlier last year, Fetch introduced Fetch Play, which is where you can download gaming apps, play these games, and earn Fetch points towards free gift cards. Now, let me tell you, this is not just $1 or $2. I'm in a Facebook group where there are other Fetch users, and these users are earning anywhere between $20 to $50 every single week for playing Fetch Play. Now, one of the reasons that this is happening is because this is a newer feature on the Fetch app, and Fetch really wants to push users to Fetch Play. So right now is a good time to get on this so that you can earn money playing online games with Fetch. If you're brand new to Fetch, you can download the Fetch app and then enter my referral code that you see on the screen. That will give you free bonus points when you scan your first receipt on the Fetch app. There are other free websites that will pay you to download free gaming apps and to make money playing online games. Another one of these sites is called Swagbucks. Now, I've personally used Swagbucks to earn over $2,000 from home on my couch, just doing different money-making activities on Swagbucks. Now, you can also do online surveys with Swagbucks. You can do sign-up offers with Swagbucks. There are so many different ways to make money with Swagbucks, so definitely another site to check out. And another site, if you want to get paid to do online surveys, is called Branded Surveys. I will link all of these down below in the description of the YouTube video, but these are all different side hustles where you can earn $100 or more per day with these side hustles. Go ahead, get started with them. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.